Hi everyone, it's Craig, the author of Head to Head Racing. Just going to give you a quick demo of the game. The button on the left lets me race against anyone in the world, whereas the button on the right lets me race against my friends. I'm going to go ahead and set up a friend race. So I'll go ahead and create a race. I get to choose which car I want to race on. Let's choose the little racy car, and which track I want to do. And start the race. Now it's turn by turn racing, so the first race will be done just by myself. In the game, to steer, I just tilt the phone left or right. I also have zoom controls, as well as a nitrous button on this car. Not all the cars have nitrous. So I'll go ahead and finish this race. And here we come, coming up to the final corner, around the final corner, and across the finish line. Once the race is complete, it gives me an option of how I want to send the race to my friend. I can email, SMS, or the other button lets me send it via Twitter or Facebook or any other message client like that. Let's go ahead and use email. Now I'll address it to myself just as a test. There we go. And in the message, it just has details of how your friend is meant to, what they're meant to do to start the race. So I'll go ahead and send it. And then hopefully when I go to my email and refresh it, and here comes the email. So I open up the email, and inside the email is instructions on what I'm supposed to do. But basically it says I long hold that link, I copy the link, and then I go to the game and I hit friend race, and then that will detect that I've copied a link and it will start the race. There we go. So I'm racing against, well, myself, and off we go. And coming around the final corner, and I'm just ahead of my previous time, and I won by exactly 1 second. So when I press OK on that, it gives me the option of notifying, well, myself in this case, but your friend normally, of the result. I'll say yes, and it asks you how you want to send it. I'll just do it via Gmail. And inside the race, it has all the details about what the scores are, and it also tells them they can then, I'll just discard that, they can then go and continue the race. So when they open up their copy of Head to Head Racing, it will come up and they can say, okay, let's continue that friend race. And I'll load it up. As you can see, there we go. This person, which was me just then, I've got 2 cars because I stole the car off my first race. And I can continue to race and see if I can gain cars or if I lose cars and whatnot. So that's basically the game. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you on the racetrack.